The bee's chewing his way out of the cell. Right there. The other bees are helping him to emerge. There's the queen right here. She's going down into a cell, crawling underneath. And
No, that bee completely emerged.
no, there's still one here, and this is another one.
I think it's another one.
Yeah, that one did come out. There's one right there chewing his way out. There's the queen over here.